Hey guys, it's Yaya and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be partnering with Oslove Organics as part of the Oslove Holiday Series to bring you guys an amazing whipped body butter that's super fluffy and use the best butters you could possibly find. Those consisting of Tamanu Butter, Murumuru Butter, and I also added a little bit of Kokum and cocoa butter for texture, for hold, but this is mainly focused on the Tamanu and the Murumuru butters. Tamanu Butter and Murumuru Butter are both super soft butters that give your whipped butter a very silky, nice soft feel, and then Kokum Butter and cocoa butter are harder butters, which will give it a more of a hold and a stiffer feel. Combined, it just makes the perfect whipped body butter, as you guys will see. So I'm gonna go ahead and melt down my butters now. I used a double boiler to do that on low heat. And now that my mixture is still warm, I'm gonna go ahead and add in the coconut oil. Coconut oil, it really melts at room temperature, so it's gonna dissolve easily. And then you can add any liquid oil you like. I'm adding the organic face and body oil. It's a combination of amazing organic oils that is perfect for the skin, hair, and etc. The coconut oil and face and body oil is going to give your whipped butter that really whipped, fluffy feel. So I would recommend adding those. Okay, so when I put it in the freezer for about 10 minutes, I do not know why it stuck to the side, you guys. That's never happened to me before, but I was able to save the butter. I just had to give it a little bit more attention. So I did not remelt it down. I just kept stopping the mixer and then making sure I pushed the butter back down, and after a while it stayed and it whipped perfectly. Also, a hand mixer will work just fine for whipping up this butter, but I just find that these standing mixers just really add a lot of air into the butter, making it super fluffy. So I wanted you guys to see those different stages here, so I'm gonna let you guys see how it starts off just a very small volume of the butter, and as it mixes, I mean, it's just going to quadruple almost in volume, and it's going to be super fluffy and airy, almost like a whipped cream, you guys. It's so silky soft, and I was just really impressed, really impressed. Wow, look how yummy, you guys. Doesn't that look great? It literally quadrupled in volume and is super fluffy, silky, and airy and light. Yet the kokum and the cocoa butter really gave it a thick feel. At the same time, the Tamanu and the Murumuru butter just made it so luxe, and it's just luxury, you guys. This is a really high quality butter. Okay, so do you guys want some of this butter? I am so grateful for you guys, and I want to give back to you. So I'm going to be giving away 6 of these butters to 6 winners. All the details for the giveaway will be down in the description box below. I'm not giving away 1 butter or 2. I'm giving away 6 butters. It's going to be 6 winners. Okay, then there's going to be 1 grand prize winner who is going to win a Christmas gift basket full of goodies from Oslove Organics, who is the sponsor of this video and of these amazing butters. Okay, so if you're looking for high quality organic hair products, body butters, lip balms, you want this basket.
We're so excited to partner with Yaya. Just showing you what the gift will be. This is the Yakai Hair Softening Butter. Great, softens the hair. And we have the Safflower Coal Defining Cream, which is awesome. The Yakai is USDA certified organic. We also have the Banana Leave-In Conditioner. Smells amazing and works great. And we have the Aloe Vera Cleansing Cream, which is very good for cleansing the hair. We then would have one of these, that's the Ruby Spice Cider Butter, and then we have the Carrot Face and Body Butter, the Frankincense and Myrrh Body Butter, the Pumpkin Seed Butter. So winners will have to choose one out of these 3 butters. They're all amazing. You can read the descriptions on the website and decide which one to choose. Also, order your Christmas gifts.
Alright, you guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. All the information about the giveaway will be in the description box below for your chance to win. Please go check out the description box. Check out Oslove Organics. Follow me on Instagram. Like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And yeah, happy holidays, you guys. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.